Well, this modern piece of Royal Albert bone china was made quite recently. In fact, it's still available and in production. And one thing is missing from the china mark on the base, which you won't necessarily notice straight away, but I do, and that's made in England, which it no longer is. This is Royal Albert from the 100 years of Royal Albert, and a retrospective collection of patterns of their last 100 years. This one is called 1970s Poppy. A little bit misleading if you're not familiar with what they're producing now. You may think this is a 1970s teacup, but it's actually brand spanking new. Lovely condition, octagonal sectional walls coming up from this pedestal base with a very bright gilt detailing, as you can see. Brand spanking new, not being used. 3 5/8 inch, I think, diameter across the rim, but all the measurements are on our website listing, and this is the little saucer that comes with it. Nicely pattern detailed, again matching first quality china marks from Royal Albert, and in fine condition. This is normally sold as a trio with a rather large just under 7-inch side or T-plate, which isn't still attached to these two, so we're selling these as a duo. The trio normally retails through Selfridges and other China retailers at around £80. The duo's yours for just under £30. In mint condition, nice piece of Royal Albert, nice one for the collectors of this series of retrospective patterns currently being produced. Link description below will take you directly through to the website listing on Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.